Ayan, guys. Happy birthday sa aking anak. Ayan, dinner lang kami. Ayan, happy birthday 21. Happy 21 birthday, Eric. Ayan, dinner lang kami, guys. Simple birthday, simple celebration. Ayan, birthday boy. Ayan. Ayan, ang birthday boy ng aking anak. Mag-dinner na kami, guys. Simple birthday. Ice cream. Yan ang gusto niya. Ice cream yan. Ayan, soft drinks. Ayan.